Morning everybody, put the teeth back in. Morning everybody, PJ here, and today I'm in Derby, and I'm outside a massive GXO place. So we're going to have a look around and see what we can see, and then we're going to send the dread drone up. So let's have a look, shall we? Right then, look at this. Ted's Garden, it says. Got little sun umbrellas and everything outside, making it look really, really nice. Just zoom in a little bit and let you have a look. There we go. Look at that. Rather fancy, isn't it? But look at the size of this place. It is massive. Oh, just nice and gentle. Just goes all the way down there. Look, there's the gatehouse. And then it goes right back there, look. Mind you, these GXO places do tend to be a bit on the large size. So we've got security down there. So this is where the trucks come in and out. And then we've got the staff car park here. That looks like some young man's coming to talk to me.
Sir, can I help you?
No, I'm fine, Doc. How are you?
The main concern is obviously this is the main. It's the main entrance gates for the HGV.
I know it is, yeah.
I was just concerned about you because you're not wearing a high-vis vest. So
No,
I'm
it's
just
all right.
concerned about your safety. That's all.
No, it's all right. I'll move if anybody comes.
Yeah. So that's all I was.
Yeah, I've dealt with traffic before.
Yeah, that's fine. So because
Right.
we do get people sitting on curbs, staff members and stuff like that.
Oh,
so
I don't doubt it, mate.
Even though
You've got a nice garden set up there for them all, haven't you? Look at that.
Yeah. Well, that's it. Looking after your staff.
That's
staff,
right.
all the rest of it.
It's a big place, this one, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
What do they do here? Ted Baker Clothing.
Yeah.
All right, there you go. I didn't see that up there. You've hidden it up there, haven't you? All right. I am going to fly a drone over the top and get some aerial shots of the place.
What's the purpose for it?
I make videos.
Yeah.
And then I pop them on YouTube.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I'm going to fly a drone over, just have a look, see how big it is.
Yeah.
And, you know, just get a general overhead view.
Yeah. So just watch the wind. So one of the guys here did, one of the managers, he had a drone and he did some really nice aerial shots, and we've got it sort of framed. So, but I don't know what sort of drone you got, but I know he was saying you've got to take the wind into account.
Yeah, it's not too windy today.
Yeah, it was, and I've seen.
No, it's not too windy today.
When COVID first started, we had a police drone as well.
Right.
It was up monitoring. That was.
Oh, big one, yeah.
Serious bit of kit. And we was there like, who's doing that? You know, because again, from a security point of view, you've got to sort of think, well, is somebody surveying the place for, those reasons?
No, I make YouTube videos, mate. 400 YouTube videos on
Yeah.
now.
Yeah. I spoke to another gentleman that used to do YouTube videos.
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah, what did he do then?
I think he was doing a security audit.
A security audit?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But again, just a member of the public doing his.
Yeah, you can have my YouTube channel if you want it. And then you can have a look.
Sure, I found it.
Morning, Mark.
Morning, you're alright.
Hi. Is it that hard to find YouTube?
I'm just looking for where I've saved it. That's not, yeah.
How you going? All right?
How you doing, that?
No, I'm not too bad, thanks.
So it's a
Nice
big
day.
place, this, isn't it?
Never ending. All the way up the road now.
Yeah.
Building all up
Yeah.
there.
Yeah, I've noticed further up there they're still building. Yeah. Man, there's a lot of industry around Derby, isn't there?
Same.
Oh, there you go.
Same spot, same pose.
Yeah. Oh, well, you want me on there? you like being on YouTube? I did British Steel at Scunthorpe
Yeah.
yesterday.
Yeah. So again, exactly the same. There's two guys here, but they had the big telephoto lenses.
Well, I've got all that stuff,
Yeah,
but I
and
can't
so
see
they were
point in
stood in
using
the
it.
middle of the road, and they're like, you know, I'm not thinking of the security aspect. I'm just thinking, shit, they're in the middle of the road. They're going to
Yeah,
get run
yeah.
over. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, well, they're
So-
probably like me. They probably think lorry drivers, you know, wagons aren't being driven by Stevie Wonder. The bloody truck drivers are going to see me. I know they're coming. I'm going to move.
It's just that.
Yeah. Yeah, you need to look for me on YouTube.
What you got? What is it?
PJ, as in I'm going to put my PJs on.
Yeah, PJs.
PJ Audits. AUDITS.
There's a few people that do it now, aren't there?
Yeah, one or two now.
Just you, yeah?
Yeah, that one there. She
Yeah.
threatened to arrest me for flying a Mini 2 drone. She ain't got a clue. Not a jar of glue.
Cool. Brilliant. Have a lovely day.
Awesome, that's what we need.
Thank you.
We need
No problem.
subscribers. Which Mel and
Mark and Stuart.
Mark Stewart.
Mark.
I'm Mark, he's Stuart.
I'm Stewart.
Well, why she call you Mel?
It's got me Mark.
Oh, did she? I thought she said hey up Mel. Oh. So Mark and Stuart. All right, you two.
Thank you.
Catch you later. Have a nice day. Well, we're a cracking pair of blokes. And he comes out with the usual worried about your safety and don't want you to get run over and all the rest of it. But yeah, we're a couple of nice blokes. Right, it's time for the dread drone, I believe. Let's go get the baby out, shall we? Right, here we go. GXO. Hey, I'm a poet and I didn't know it. Right. Just have a look how big this place is, look. Look at that. It is pigging enormous. Right, so we're going to have a fly up the other end first and have a look what's up there. They do Ted Baker here, so clothing. And put it in normal mode, so we're going to get there a bit quicker. It's actually doing 22 mile an hour now, this little drone. You wouldn't believe it, would you? Alright, just put it back into cine mode now, so it is a little smoother. And let's have a look. So not a lot there. We've travelled all the way up there and there's a note there. I don't know what we're like. Right, let's whizz back down here. You might see that good looking fella in a minute with dreadlocks. What's his name? PJ. That's him. Right, we'll put it back in normal mode. So it gets a bit of a move on to get here. 22 mile an hour. Oh, I'm going to try it in sports mode. No, throw it in sports mode. Oh, wow. 34 mile an hour. Wow. Right. Let's put it back in cine mode so it stays nice and smooth. And then we're going to just have a look around here. We're going to have a look at this nice posh garden they've got. Look at that, eh? Does look nice for staff, doesn't it? You know? They're obviously keen on looking after them. Here you go. I am a little bit disappointed that there's no I'm looking for a drone, it's there, look. Sometimes just lose track of it. It can be 30 foot away from you and you don't bloody see it. I'm a bit disappointed there's not much in the way of solar panels here, but can't have everything. Alright, so we're going to have a nice steady cruise up to the other end. Not going to be doing 30 odd mile an hour like it was doing. That really gallops the battery if you do. And there you go. This is the bit you don't normally get to see. So we've got quite a few, I'm going to take it up a bit so I can see it a bit better. So we've got a few trucks there and quite a few loading bays. Some people have even parked the cars there, and I don't know why there's a car park on this side of the building. And that road you can see at the back there, I think that's the A52, I'm not sure. I'm not really up to speed with Derby and the roads around Derby. But you can see it's it is quite a big place. Right, looks like we've lost signal. I don't know why. Adjust antennas. There you go, no antennas to adjust. Right, let's see what we can do to make things better, shall we? I don't know what it's doing. There we go. We're back. Alright, let's head back a little bit, shall we? So it's a bit disconcerting when you lose your signal. Look at that place. Look at them. They're just building. They're still building them there, look. Right, we're going to start heading back. Bring the camera down, there you go. Let's start bringing it down, shall we? Down she comes. Down, 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 down. And there you are, all the way down now. And that's it, landed. Right, so there you go. That concludes our quick trip to GXO. A couple of pleasant security guards while we were here. And a nice flight round with the drone. Even though we lost contact, I don't know why. It always seems to do it around these industrial estates. And I don't know why. There must be electronics or something knocking about inside them that does it. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video and you think the garden looks very nice where they can sit down and have a cup of tea, please give it a thumbs up, please share, please subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye everybody, see you soon.